Everywhere today, we hear about innovation, disruption, and design that breaks things. Where do these disruptive ideas come from?
Are you tired of the same old icebreakers and spitball sessions? Try idea bombing, a new technique for blasting open the brain's creative pathways. To perform this activity, place an egg or water balloon inside a sock. Toss the ideas back and forth.
The best idea will explode on impact.
Let's get started. Here's our design problem. How might we transform socks into a service?
SAS, Socks as Service.
Sock bar, custom socks.
Drone drop sock delivery.
Spray on socks.
Edible socks.
Sock to table.
Sock buffet.
Sock exchange.
Sock market.
Electric sock therapy.
Oh, God. That's terrible.
No. Gross. This is terrible.
All right, get your socks on. We got to go to class.